Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm here with another Steel Crusade build video. Um, a lot of stuff up in the air, kind of as usual, just business as usual. This is the heavy player, um, who is equipped with an auto rifle as compared to the other light player shotgun. But you'll notice here that I'm firing and it's doing damage, and you can sort of see the bullets, but they don't quite look as you'd expect. We're missing our ammo counter. A lot of stuff in progress here. I think one of the things that sometimes happens in game development is you think that you can kind of reuse stuff, and it just ends up not really working. And what you realize is it probably you just kind of have to rebuild it from scratch, because some of the assumptions that you made when doing it don't hold. So what I'm talking about is the shotgun versus the rifle. With the shotgun having each pellet be a particle where it is kind of has its velocity and moves through space over time, it makes sense because as a player having those shotgun bullets be like relatively slow, kind of makes sense. Whereas for a rifle, you really do just kind of want that instant hit scan beam straight from the muzzle of your gun all the way to the thing. And so the rifle just really doesn't play nicely with the particle system stuff that we did for the shotgun. And so that is facilitating and necessitating this entire rework, which is still not done. In fact, only just started on that. So yeah, so the heavy robot is now in progress. I was just using him, but there's a lot of things that need fixed. Still trying to figure out how to make the network manager play nicely with multiple different types of player. There's just lots of things that are in isolation wouldn't be a big deal, but all together cause a big headache basically. But let's get into the main thing that I'm sure you're all excited to see. Let's load up the game, and I am going to one sec. I getting another instance set up. You notice we have a helpful text. I don't know if that was there last week. And we now have player animation. So I'm gonna go off screen, take over this guy, and he just kind of looks normal. But then, oh, look at that, he's walking. And yeah, they now have leg animations. They still don't arm animation, still not in, but that's coming. Another thing is you'll notice that the animation doesn't kind of properly reset when they stop moving. So it's still early yet, but yeah, animation for the players is something that's in progress. We also have more work being done on the enemy AI, and just physics, and a lot of that stuff's getting refined and worked over kind of as we speak. So yeah, so there's a lot of stuff in progress for this week. Not a ton that looks super nice to show yet, and we are kind of coming up to the end. So I think at this point, kind of most of the new features that aren't in yet that we hope to get in, we have kind of cut. We're not expecting to get them in. We're at this point just trying to get the rest of the core stuff in that we really want, and then that way then hopefully move into focusing on polishing everything up and actually getting it to a playable state. So yeah, so thanks for checking in, and I will see you all next week.